Okay, number 5, page number 5. Create other shapes. We're watching the video and it says you will see a vanishing point with many shapes around it below. So here's a vanishing point and here's all the shapes. It says add 3 more interesting shapes or block letters to the shapes already there. Bring all the shapes to the vanishing point. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring the points to the vanishing point. How about here? Let's go ahead and mark the points. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. This will work. This will work. Excuse me. This one will work. This will work. This will work. Sometimes you can use your ruler to see if it will work. That will work. This is not going to work. Okay, now when we get to a circle, it's a little bit special. So what you can do is you can put your ruler on the vanishing point and then rotate it over until it touches the circle. And then that will be where you connect it. Same thing here. You take your ruler, rotate it over until it connects. There we go. Looks kind of like an ice cream cone. So we're going to have that same situation here with this shape. It's part circle but has some angles on it also. So here's our ruler. We rotate it from the vanishing point until it touches. Let's go like this from this angle. So it's right about there. We can draw a line there. And then here, that will work, and that will work. But then with these rounded shapes like this heart, we want to do the same thing. Okay. I think for here, we can put the ruler right where that is on the heart, that dip. And then we want this edge. We want to go somewhere on this edge. So here comes the ruler, keeps going, and then it touches the edge. Okay. So let's go ahead and do these more simple angles. Let's go ahead and start to connect. Here, and then here, and then here. This here looks like it'll work. Yep. But I don't think this will work. Now here I made a little bit of a mistake. It wasn't quite on the corner. So always be kind of careful there. Here is a vanishing point, but then it would go through the circle here. That's okay that we're not going to draw a line through the circle. We can draw a line from the corner. We want to draw a line from the corner to the vanishing point, but not through the circle. So here's the vanishing point, here's the corner. We connect those two areas, but only go until you get there and stop. Again, same thing here. Vanishing point. And then I'm going to stop when I get there. I'm not going to go through that circle. Okay. And then here, put it again on the vanishing point and then move it to there. This looks like it's going to go all the way through. So it looks like this in front of that. So you can continue doing this until you've got them all done. And then you're going to need to add some shapes of your own. Okay. So it says here, you still need 3 more interesting shapes. So let's go ahead and put an interesting shape there. Here's an interesting shape, and here's an interesting shape. So just like this one, these shapes on the outside are gonna not go all the way through. What I mean is, you can turn your paper if you want to, but here the line goes all the way through. There's nothing blocking it. But this arrow is in the way, so I can line it up, but don't go all the way through, just stop at where the arrow begins. Line it up and then stop where the arrow begins. And then you're going to need to do that with all of your shapes. Let's see, would that work there too? Oh, this would work here too. There. Don't forget to do all your shapes. Then when you're done, I'm not done here, but when you're done, you would show a friend and ask them to rate your drawing by circling a comment below. You rock, good start, or keep working, you can do it. Then show your teacher to receive the golden ticket.